Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about an exciting new opportunity to make money right here on YouTube, okay? If you want to learn how I created a faceless YouTube channel and started making tens of thousands of dollars per month, I invite you to join my community down below. There's really no experience to get started. You don't need to have a big following, and of course, you don't need to show your face. And really anybody can do it. It just takes a little bit of time and effort at the beginning to get started. But don't worry, I walk you through it. So click my link below to start and learn how to create your own faceless YouTube channel. And right now you can get a free trial to join, but it's only available for the first 100 people. And we have a group chat as well that you can join. So I'll leave a link down below. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. There is a new ride sharing app called called the Cyber app. I believe that's what they're calling it, the Cyber app, right?
Is it Tesla's ride sharing?
Yeah, they're launching a new app. I thought it was called the Cyber app, maybe not. PowerShare. But I believe that if you own a Tesla, you can rent it out for people to use.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, Cybercab. That's what they called it. Cybercab. The new app is going to be called Cybercab, my friends. You can rent it out to earn money. So if you own a Tesla,
it's cool.
You can make money.
Oh, wow.
So I think Tesla sales are probably going to go up after they launch this, because a lot of drivers are going to be like, you know, it's literally going to turn your car into an investment.
Yeah, good thing I have a lot of Tesla shares.
I don't think Tesla stock is doing too well right now, though.
It's not.
But yeah, this is what the app looks like. Can you read this?
This says arriving now.
Model Y arriving now. That would be so sick. I am so excited for this to come out. I will definitely be ordering a ride with this and vlogging it. So make sure to subscribe, guys. Izzy and I are going to take a self-driving Tesla.
Yeah.
If you're comfortable with it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm pretty sure they're going to have supervised drivers at the beginning, right?
You think so? Well, what's that other car like rideshare?
Oh, the Lyft one? It's like Waymo or something?
Yeah, the one where they have like a little like thing at the top of the car and it's like...
Yeah, these ones. And there's no driver in it.
There's another one.
Huh?
There's another one too.
Oh, there's another one?
Maybe not. I don't know. I can't keep up anymore.
I think it was Waymo.
Was it?
Pretty sure. Maybe
yeah,
not.
Maybe. I saw a lot of those in LA.
And there's no driver?
Yeah.
There is or no?
No, there's no driver.
Oh, wow. So yeah, maybe they will.
The ones that I saw.
But that's only in select cities, right? That have the approval.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see, I guess, when it comes out. But yeah, I think drivers who have a Tesla, or if you just own a Tesla, you will be able to make money with the Cybercab.